Welcome to our video on the topic of whether robots can feel emotions. In recent years, the development of artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics has been impressive, with robots performing a variety of tasks that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. But can they really experience emotions like we do? Today we'll be diving into the fascinating topic of robotics, exploring the limits of technology and emotion. Section 1. Defining emotions. Before we begin exploring whether robots can feel emotions, we need to define what emotions are. Emotions are complex psychological states that involve a range of feelings, thoughts, and physical sensations. Emotions are typically associated with human beings, and while animals have been known to display certain emotions, the full range of human emotions is considered to be unique to humans. Section 2. Emotions and robots. While robots are becoming increasingly advanced, there is no evidence to suggest that they are capable of experiencing emotions. Robots are programmed to respond to stimuli in a particular way, based on their programming. They can simulate emotional responses, but they do not actually feel emotions. Some experts argue that this lack of emotional capability may be a limitation of robots, while others suggest that it is not necessary for them to feel emotions to perform their functions. Section 3. The challenges of creating emotional robots. Creating robots that can experience emotions is a challenging task. Emotions are subjective experiences, and it is difficult to quantify or measure them. In order for a robot to experience emotions, it would need to have a sophisticated understanding of human emotions, as well as the ability to sense and respond to environmental stimuli in a way that is similar to humans. Section 4. Ethical implications of emotional robots. If robots were able to experience emotions, it would have significant ethical implications. For example, if a robot were programmed to feel pain, it would be unethical to subject it to physical harm. Similarly, if a robot were programmed to feel love or attachment, it could lead to complex moral dilemmas, such as whether it is acceptable to kill a robot that has developed a sense of self-awareness and emotional attachment. Conclusion. While robots are becoming increasingly advanced, there is currently no evidence to suggest that they are capable of experiencing emotions. Emotions are complex psychological states that are unique to humans, and while robots can simulate emotional responses, they do not actually feel emotions. The challenge of creating emotional robots is a significant one, and it remains to be seen whether it is even possible. As we continue to explore the limits of technology and emotion, it will be interesting to see how this field develops in the future. Thanks for watching our video on whether robots can feel emotions. We hope you found it interesting and informative. If you have any thoughts or comments, please feel free to share them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking videos on the latest technology trends.